AWS Free Tier has changed. Let me show you what's new. But before that, hello everyone, welcome to Tech Diva Domain channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. AWS Free Tier has changed. Before you had 12 months free, now it is only 6 months with 200 USD credit. This is only for new account after July 15 of this year, 2025. What you get in the new free plan? You get 100 USD when you sign up. You can get 100 USD more by doing small tasks. In total is 200 USD to use AWS. How long does it last? You can use the free tier plan for 6 months or until your 200 USD is finished. After that, the account will stop, but your data is saved for 19 days. What you cannot do? You cannot use big services. You cannot go over the 200 USD. You must upgrade if you need more. AWS will send alerts when you use 15%, 25% or 10% of your credit, or when your 6 months is finished, is ending. Use the free plan wisely. Use AWS budget to track your credit. Use only free tier services. Upgrade if you want to keep using. In summary, you get 200 USD. It is for 6 months. It is good for beginners, but different from the all free tier. We are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and remember, keep learning, keep building and keep believing. Thank you.